Here's the twist. I skip the traditional cleanser. I don't wash my face at all in the morning. Okay, so where the should we start? How to upgrade your AM and your PM routine. Welcome back. Look at you looking how you look, just like yourself. It's good to have you back. And if you're new here, my name is John. I'm also known as a skincare bro. This page tests out the latest skincare trends, hacks, and products. It's called Lavender Rose, so you don't have to. Y'all have asked me 1,000,001 times, what's my skincare routine? So I'm gonna let you in on it. So the mornings for me are all about refreshing and prepping my skin from the night before. I believe that the AM and the PM routines are a cycle. They're interconnected, it's a web. Here's the twist. I skip the traditional cleanser. I don't wash my face at all in the mornings, and clearly something's working.
Real quick, give me one skincare secret while I'm standing here looking at how incredible you look.
I do a lot of rose water.
Okay.
I don't wash my face in the morning, just lots of rose water.
So this is the #1 question that I get when I tell people I don't wash my face. What the fuck? No, I'm just joking. What are you doing? What's the routine? So instead of washing my face with the cleanser, I'm rinsing with water.
My grandmother taught me never to wash my face in the morning.
We're skipping the morning face wash. If you wash your face in the morning, you're removing all those natural oils. If you want clear skin, you might need to skip the face wash. Instead of using a cleanser, I rinse my face and then I use a facial kombucha to wipe away all the dirt and crusties from the night before. Now this was something that I discovered on my own, but I wanted to look up why it works. So here's a scientific insight. Studies show that overwashing your face in the mornings can actually mess up your skin's natural moisture barrier. It messes with the skin barrier. So by swapping out a facial kombucha instead of a regular cleanser, I let my skin keep its natural oils, which help avoid dryness or irritation. This is actually the perfect segue, because right after I use a facial kombucha to get everything clean, it's time to use something that's super hydrating. Let's talk about the power of rosewater. It's damn near in every step. If you're new to this one, let me put you on. So one of my favorite actresses is Selma Hayek. That's my girl. If you don't like her, keep it moving. But if you do, okay, we here. I see you. I like her even more now that I found out she uses rosewater in her skincare routine. Let me put it to you this way. One of my skincare game changers has been rosewater. Rosewater manages oil production, and it even tackles acne and acne scars. Rosewater is a key player in my routine. It handles oil production, it helps with hyperpigmentation, and it even tackles acne and acne scars. Day in and day out, I'm using rosewater. I use it in my morning skincare routine, and I use it in my PM skincare routine. Rinsing, then using a facial kombucha to get away all the germs, dirt, and crusties. But here is my super special cheat code. You're gonna wanna lock in hydration by using a lavender rose water. I'm using this one here. It's called Lavender Rose Hydro Mist, and it comes from Good Skin. So there you have it. If you have any questions or need any skincare advice, comment below. I'll get back to you. This is Checkout John, checking out.